Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see to solve a problem related to Google Photos. There are some queries I have read something like their photos are not backing up in the Google Photos. For example, if you open the Google Photos app here, if you see here, this is the symbol which indicates the backup status, the present backup status. If you see something like this, that means all my photos are backed up. If you see a number here at this place, for example, at this top space, if you see some number like 10, 13 or 14 or something like that, it indicates that there are 10 more images to be backed up to your Google Photos account. So you need to check few things if it is not working rightly. If your photos are not backing up, first of all, go to settings. For settings, you need to click on these three lines at top left. Click on three settings and click on settings and click on this backup and sync. Check whether this is enabled or not. Mine is enabled. Okay, backup account. This is my backup account, this Gmail, and backup device folders. Click on this. So see here, all my backup device folders are off. And for example, Instagram, I can check it on. So capture means screencast, received images, WhatsApp videos. So by just toggling this, enabling and disabling, check whether the images are backing up or not. And next, so upload size, it's better you can click on this high quality because it gives free unlimited storage. So mobile data backup, I have choose the option for my photos what I am taking on my mobile device to be backed up to my Google Photos. So I have enabled this. So one last thing you need to check is just try to clear cache and data of this Google Photos app if nothing is working for you. I'll show you. Just go to your phone settings app and you can click on apps and notification, apps, and search for the Google Photos. Where is this? Here, storage. Okay, try to clear both of this, clear data and clear cache, and check whether it is working or not. So here is about Google. If you click on settings and scroll to bottom and click on about Google Photos and click on help and feedback, so this is the official help page of that Google Photos. I'll read it for you. If your photos and videos are not syncing to your Google account, check your backup status. So I have already told you that a backup is completed means you will observe this symbol. Means if you see in my account, I have this symbol, so my backup is completed. If you see a number, means there are still that many number of images to be backed up. And you need to check your Wi-Fi. Waiting for Wi-Fi means you need to switch back to your mobile data or connect to another Wi-Fi and check whether it is backing up or not. You need to check up the backup option is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, please enable it. And one more important thing is, if your photo exceeds 75 MB data, for example, if your photo on your phone is 100 MB, then Google Photos won't accept that. If your video is more than 10 GB, it won't accept. So please keep in that mind. And finally, it's saying that clear your app data. I have already told you. So these are the troubleshooting steps you can follow to make it work properly. If you still facing that problems, you can send a feedback to Google Photos here by clicking this option. So where you will find that, click on these three dots, click on help here, click on help, and I just searched as my photos are run backup. So this is my issue, and this is the help page, and here I can send feedback. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.